Hello, little explorers. How are you? And welcome to some science fun. All right, so you know that we got the caterpillars. So excited. We can't wait to watch them grow and become butterflies. They become butterflies. Caterpillars grow, they become butterflies, and then after we've enjoyed them for a couple days, we're going to release them outside so that they can fly in the lovely spring air. All right, but before all of that happens, we want to make a life cycle book, okay? Nothing too complicated, nothing hard and challenging. Just need some paper. So I found some paper around the house like this, just some paper, and I'm gonna fold it. I just fold it in half the best I can. All right. So if you have trouble, ask someone to help you, a big person. They can maybe help you fold it in half. And look, instantly I have a little book. And inside this little book is where I'm going to put my information about the butterfly. All right. So on my cover page, I'm going to write butterfly life cycle. It's okay if you don't know how to spell it. Sound it out. What do you hear? Butterfly. I just stretch it like taffy. Butterfly. That's right. I hear the letter B. So I'm just going to write butterfly life cycle. I already did one. Miss King already did one. I wrote butterfly life cycle and I drew some things and I wrote my name. That's super important, okay? So you want to do that. I'll hang mine up and it'll be behind me if you want to see how to write it. All right, butterfly life cycle. And then that'll be my cover page, butterfly life cycle. All right. And after I do that, after I write it and write my name, all right, then I want to write something inside of it. I need a page here. I need a page 1. And we can write the date because we're going to write what we see. All right. So what I wrote was I wrote day 1 and I wrote the date, April 17th, 2020. Just like we did in the morning on our chart, that's what I use for the date. I'll also put this page behind me in case you want to see it. All right, while you are working. All right, so that's what my book's going to look like. And this is what my first page is going to look like. So that when I open my book, all right, so this is my copy page, just like this, my cover page. And then I'm going to open it. And I'm going to put day 1, and I'm going to put the date. And remember that it's April 17th, 2020. So I'm writing that in here, just like right here, okay? So now I need to look at those caterpillars and write my observations down. So I open it to the first page, and let's get our caterpillars out here. We have our experiment for later. The babies, the caterpillars. Look at these guys. All right, I'll bring them a little closer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many caterpillars do we have? Should we count them again? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 over here. Do you think that these caterpillars need names? Maybe. You guys can think about the names and maybe we can name them. But for right now, we're going to draw a picture of these guys and let's make some observations. Are these caterpillars big or small? Yeah, they're pretty teeny tiny. They are small. All right, so I'm going to put the caterpillars down here. All right, you guys come and look at these caterpillars and then let's draw a picture. I'm going to draw a picture of the cup because right now they're inside of the cup, okay? And I see one is up here. One's down here. I see another one right here, and right here. And they're tiny. And so I'm even going to label it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 caterpillars. And I'm going to say something about them. I'm going to say they are small. That's my observation. They are small because maybe when we come back together and look at the caterpillars, maybe they'll be bigger. Maybe we'll have a new observation. I don't know. But we'll keep our little books together. We'll take our books and we'll write our new observations in them every single day so that we can observe the life cycle. Now we're going to push these guys over here and we're going to try an experiment today. It's a quick, easy experiment. Look at the butterfly. I made a butterfly and its wings are made out of tissue paper. and we're going to test static electricity. We're going to see if we can get enough static electricity on this balloon to make the wings of this butterfly move, okay? Do you think we can do that? All right, this is how we're gonna do it. Mrs. King is gonna blow up this balloon. You think that's big enough? Bigger? Is this big enough? Bigger than that? Okay. How about this? All right, I think that's big enough. All right, so now we need to get some static electricity. Static electricity isn't something that we can actually really see, but we can see the effects of the static electricity. Sometimes we can see it like if our hair is standing up because it has so much static electricity, or sometimes we can see it in our pajamas after we take them out of the dryer and it's dark and we do it and we might see little lights. And we might even be able to see it today if this balloon has enough static electricity and it moves the wings. I don't know what's gonna happen. Let's experiment and find out, little explorers. All right, so I'm gonna try it this way. Huh. I see a little bit of movement, but I don't see a lot. Maybe if I rub the balloon on my clothes, maybe that'll give it some static electricity. Maybe let's see if that works. All right. Oh, it's moving a little bit on this side. Do you see it? It's moving. Look, there's static electricity now. Oh, it's moving on the other side too. There is static electricity. It works. It does work, little explorers. You can try this at home with balloons and tissue paper. Until next time, when we have science fun, bye-bye, little explorers. See you later.